Today's recipe is turkey meatloaf. Okay, we're going to take some breadcrumbs and sprinkle it in top of our ground turkey. Then we'll add our eggs. Some ketchup, some parsley, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some pepper, salt, and Worcestershire sauce, and milk. Then we're going to mix this all together till everything is moistened and combined. You can get in there with your hands. And mix this all together. Just want to make sure that everything is evenly distributed amongst the ground turkey. Make sure your ground turkey is lean. Then we'll place this on a greased lined cookie sheet that has some tin foil on it. Then you'll form this into a loaf. I'm going to make sure that it is even thickness because you don't want part of it to overcook. And then we'll make our sauce to go on top, which is just ketchup and brown sugar and a little bit of barbecue sauce. And we'll stir that all together. And then we'll place this on top of our turkey loaf. If you don't have barbecue sauce, you can just omit that and just use the ketchup and the brown sugar. And then we are going to place this in a 375-degree oven for around 45 to 55 minutes or until the internal temperature is around 160. Let this sit for a few minutes and enjoy. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.